Today we're going to work on marcaje, marking steps, and those are the basic travel steps where you're moving around. So we are working in the palo of the rhythm of tangos, and that's a 4 count. And today we will work on 2 different markings, a front step and a side step. Okay, so the first one, I'll face you and then I'll turn around just like we're in a dance studio. The first one, we are just stepping forward and then to the side. To switch our weight, step forward and to the side to switch the weight, okay? So when you are stepping forward, you're putting a little bit of weight to that front leg, and then you step to the side to switch your weight and step forward with the left to the side, okay? So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So things that you wanted to think about or remember is that you're stepping forward and your feet are slightly turned out, so you're not going to be turning in, but you don't want to cross over, okay? You don't want to cross over. They're just right in front, okay? And you want to keep that back foot down. You don't want to lift up that back leg as you go. So we have front to the side and front to the side and front to the side and front to the side. Okay? So then the next part, we can add a little arm to that if you're ready. If it gets too confusing, then you just keep your hands on your hips. But we can start off with going out with the hand and then flat and out with the hand and flat. So we have front to the side and front to the side and front and switch and front and switch. Okay, so let's try that again. So we have front and switch, front and switch, front and switch, front and switch. And again, if it's too much, just keep your hands on your hips. All right, so we have and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So things to remember about with that marking, you want to relax those hips, so let your weight follow through or let your weight move you around. You're not going to move out crazy, but still you want to just allow it just to switch, pass, and allow those hips to follow through. All right, so that was our first marking, our front marking. The next one is a side marking, and you're going to step out to the side, hold, and then back step. All right, so again, that was side, hold, back, step, and then switch to the other side, hold, back, step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, so we have and side, hold, back, step, side, hold, back, step, side, hold, back, step, side, hold, back, step. Now, if you want to, ready for your arms, we are going to bring the leg that you step out on, that's the arm that's going to go out. So right, hold, back, step, and switch, left, hold, back, step, and switch, right, hold, back, step, left, hold, back, step. All right, so let's put those 2 markings together. We'll do 4 of each. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, right and left. And then we're going to switch to the side marking. Right, hold, back, step, left, hold, back, step, right, hold, back, step, left, hold, back, step, and forward, side, forward, side, forward, side, forward, side. Now side step, side, hold, back, step, side, hold, back, step, side, hold, back, step, side, hold, back, step. All right, so we'll do a combination with using the music. We will first start off doing 8 of each, and then we'll move on to 4 of each. All right, you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and forward. Forward, switch, forward, switch, forward, switch, forward, forward, and last one. And now to the side, side, back step, 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 side. And forward, front, 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 switch, front, switch. And now to the side, back step, back step. And front, ba. And to the side, side, back step. Now to the front, and then we'll just do 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. To the side, 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 side. And front, front. Side. Front. Side, front, side, last time, front, and side. Thanks for joining me in today's class. If you are ready to deep dive into your flamenco practice with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, which is my monthly membership with over 60 video courses for new beginners all the way through advanced dancers. And we really expound on the way I love to teach, which is all about speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco. Now, inside the membership, I have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. There is a wonderful community of dancers from all around the world in our members-only Facebook group. We have regular monthly challenges and practice lessons for everyone. So if you're interested in checking that out, be sure to sign up for that free trial. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.